Here we are at mgmclassiccars.com today with this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Custom Resto Mod Pro Touring setup done about 10 years ago. Beautiful paint throughout. As you can see, the two-tone and the black stripe with the green pinstripe there that breaks it up. Really nice. That's all custom painted. Those are not decals. Sits on brand new full set of wheels. As you can see, four-wheel power disc brakes. And the chrome on the car is in great condition. The glass is lightly tinted. All of the chrome door handles, dual sport mirrors, trim, tail lights, exhaust tips, everything's in really, really nice condition. The interior has been redone, super clean, super nice, very tastefully done. And I'll circle back to that in a little bit. But the stance on this thing is really, really sharp. It's got the wheel wood set up on the brakes, if I didn't mention that. Chrome, grille, trim, headlights, everything's super nice. Painted under the hood here. Custom firewall with the ZZ 502, guys. Yep, 502 horse. Billet set up on the cylinder there and the booster. You got air conditioning here, vintage. We will be recharging the system. Beautiful setup on the orange that really pops and makes this thing look really, really sharp. Core support looks great. Optima red battery. Nice pulley setup here. Beautiful setup on the Edelbrock. Made in the USA. You got your fuel controller there. Beautiful painted under the hood as well. Yes, it is cowl-induction. As you can see, even in here, it's all painted really nice. There are no wipers. They were taken off. Car's never driven in the rain. Beautiful all around, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Overdrive transmission, automatic. You got your inner outer door jambs are great. You got the billet set up on the air vent here. Door vent, should I say. Inner jambs are nice. Panels are brand new. Door lips are done great. Weather stripping is new. Original pinch welds on the doors. No rot, no rust. You got the billet set up on the door sill plates. Seat belts in the back. Beautiful package tray that goes with the theme of the interior. As you can see there, headliner, nice. Seat belts all intact. You got the factory center console. You got the bucket seats. They are a little bit softer than stock. You got tilt wheel, beautiful upgraded steering wheel there. Nice dash, weather stripping, all redone, guys. Just gorgeous, nice carpet in it. Door closes excellent on the car. You got your 6x9s with the billet covers over them. And all around, just super, super nice. I'm going to fire this thing up. I want you guys to hear it. You got your fuel pump, and you got your vents there for the cooling fans. All right, let's get this going. $12,300 miles since the restoration, guys. Tilt wheel, like I mentioned. We are going to get the RPM tech. We're going to fix that. All the gauges function there. Listen to this. Those are the electric cut-offs, guys. Hit the switch, and it's quiet. Hit the switch again, and it's in beast mode. Isn't that cool? I love it. So as far as the trunk is concerned, it is all carpeted, all looks great. You can check out those photos at mgmclassiccars.com. If you need delivery, call me or text me with your zip code and I'll get you a quote. If you need financing, you will need $7,000 down. And and you can roll in your taxes and your delivery if you'd like in your loan. You just would have to mention that to me. For those of you who just want to write the check, let's get the deal done. Before you fill out any credit application on my website, please text me or call me. Make sure this thing's available. Okay, that is mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Thomas. You can call or text me that zip code if you need that delivery quote. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. We got over 180 of them in stock. So check it out. Talk soon. Bye-bye.